Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Well, it's getting to be that time of year where I'm going to be cutting the lawn. So I decided to check to see if my lawnmower was doing okay. But when I checked, the battery is dead. So I took the battery in and they declared that it's time for a new battery. So let's get to it. Let's change this battery. On my zero-turn lawnmower, the battery is located underneath the seat. First, we have to make sure we have safety glasses and gloves. Next, we got to find the wires. This is the positive, this is the negative. We're going to take the covers off of the negative first, the black wire, and then we're going to take the cover off the red wire now. Next, we're going to take the wires off. And then we're going to put these nuts back on so we don't lose them. Now we're going to take the positive off. Same thing. We're going to put the nuts back on there so we don't lose them. I'm going to separate that so it doesn't touch anything. Now we're going to take off the battery clamp. And remove the battery. And here's the new battery. Now we reverse the process. First we put the battery clamp back on. Tighten that back up. Now we're going to replace the red cable. When handling the red cable, make sure you don't touch it against anything. Okay, let's put that black cable on. Take the cover off. Okay, let's make sure all our connections are tight. Good right there. Good there. That's tight. Let's get the covers back on. Right there. And let's close her up. Well, I got a new battery in my lawnmower. Let's see if she works. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thanks for watching.